Welcome to the Graffiti Jungle, Imposter a Rockstar, Episodio Quindici.
I'm tired of all you bitch ass niggas. Y'all annoying me right now, for real, nigga.
She said, take your time, what's the rush?
Yeah.
I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
You wanna talk shit? You wanna run your mouth?
Yeah.
I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
You want some gangsters, start your motherfucking house? We'll set this bitch out. Set this bitch out. We'll set this bitch out. Set this bitch out. Let's get these niggas mad right. They call me badass.